Trap watchers, what's going on? Today's August the 25th, 2021. We are here today to give you all a price prediction update in the market for, you guessed it, Zilliqa. Guys, check it out. Look at the price chart. We told you all on our last video in Zilliqa to expect the price to go up, and take a look at what the price did. It went up. So hopefully you all was able to eat off our last price prediction, which was garnered on June the 17th, right? You guys can see it. We did an update into the market in Zilliqa as well. You guys can see it on the chart, expecting the price to go up. So hopefully y'all was able to capitalize on that price movement, because we got some things to talk about today on this video. I want to make sure that everyone in our community is prepared for what we're looking forward to in the future. So if today's the first time ever seeing our video and our content, we are here for you. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel in order to participate within this great community. We want to make sure that everyone here is able to eat. Everyone is here able to learn. Everyone is here able to succeed in the cryptocurrency space. So make sure you all join us here while you can. Now check this out. Okay, we did a price prediction into the market for Zilliqa right there on July 31st. Okay, we told everyone, hey, be prepared. We're seeing some indications that the price in Zilliqa was going to go up. Boom, it just did that. You see that right there? So from July 31st all the way until August the 10th, okay, so about 10 days, the market in Zilliqa hit our ultimate TP price, 20.86% garnered right there in our price prediction. And if you were to get out right now, take a look, 25%. So excellent call, excellent prediction, right? We got that. Cool. Now it's over. We don't need to dwell on that any longer, because the market moves. And we always need to make sure that we are one step ahead of the trap. All right. We need to make sure that we are always ahead of him so that we can continually win against him. So check this out. Let's clean up this chart. I got two lines on this chart right now, and one of them we're going to take away because it's not applicable. It has no purpose being on our chart. And if it has no purpose being on our chart, we don't use it. So let me get rid of this one. I don't like it. Let's get rid of it. Next thing I'm going to do, I am going to use this other line to show you all visually what the trend is, okay? Because we need to pay attention to what price does alongside this line. It's very important because it's going to make us know whether or not the price in Zilliqa is going to continue to go up. It's just that simple. So the market price breaks this ascending line. We understand that we are changing directions and that the price is likely to consolidate in a trading channel, or we're going to continue to break down in price. It is what it is. For us, we just need to understand that we see it for what it is and we get in position to capitalize from it. So check this out. You guys can see the last 2 days, the price in Zilliqa has been going down. So with that being the case, we are in jeopardy, all right, of seeing this price break this trend. We started this trend all the way back in July, and now here we are towards the end of August, and the price is now showing us that it may break that ascending line. We got to be careful about that. I'm just giving you all the facts based off what the chart is giving us. I got to give you all the facts. Now we want to look at the market in Zilliqa, okay, on a 3-day time frame. So this is the market in Zilliqa on a 3-day time frame. We got 14 hours and 8 minutes left. Now let me tell you this. If this was like, let's say we had like 3 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar was to end, emphatically I would be expecting the price to go down. It is what it is, because that is definitely showing us some weakness. We're seeing heavier volume than what we've seen the last 3 to 6 3-day price bars. We're seeing more volume this 3-day price bar right here. So let me show it to you. So the market is pumping brakes. So if you was able to ride the market strength in Zilliqa all the way from July 21st to today's day, maybe you want to consider taking some profit off the table, right? Because we're seeing that there's a lot of other market participants who's doing the same thing. They're getting out their positions because the market volume is heavier, and then the price is closing on the low of the 3-day price bar. Someone else is selling in the market. Is it you? Or are you the one buying this at this 10-cent price. Check this out. This is the 2-day time frame. We're still seeing weakness here into the market in Zilliqa. Now, let me give you this. I got you. Because even though I'm expecting the price in Zilliqa to go down, we still got one glimmer of hope right here. Okay, I want you all to see this. And it's right here. Okay, right there around 0.098. The market can still grab some support around that vicinity. That is still probable. And I don't want you all to not think that it can't happen, because it definitely can. So when we do this price prediction, we will TP out the market right there around 0.098, just in case the market wants to reverse its course from going down to one of going up. It's just that simple. Because we want to get out the way once the market moves and switches direction, so we can ride the next wave to higher prices in Zilliqa. We just want to come in, take the money from the trap, and move on to the next play. This is what we're all about. We're not in love with these cryptocurrencies. We're in love with making money and predicting prices so that we can dominate in this space. So remember that 0.098 will be the first area of support for Zilliqa. Now, that's a slim chance though, because I'm telling you, just like what we've seen on the 3-day time frame, this market in Zilliqa can still come all the way back down to around like 0.0925. Well, just not even that far. When you think about it from a penny increment, it's not that big of a deal. But one thing that is a big deal is that the trend will be broken. That is even bigger though. Okay, so let's check this out. So I think it's pretty simple. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Zilliqa, albeit the trend is going to be broken. Yes, we get that. But we got 0.098 and then its second area of 0.0925, right? Will be the second area for us to come through and grab the bag and move on to the next play. So let's do it. So check this out. We said 0.098 will be the first area for us to grab the bag from the market in Zilliqa. So that's around what, 5.3% profitability or movement lower in price. Okay. Next area, 0.0925, which is around 10%. So again, that's not pretty drastic. I mean, in the cryptocurrency space, you could get 10% in 10 minutes, right? 10% movement in 5 minutes. So this can happen relatively quick. This area right here is going to be our restriction area. Now, I really think that this bullish trend is still intact, but we're going to break this current trend of moving higher sideways, and then the market resumption of higher price will continue after that, right? We got to go through all of this noise here in Zilliqa before we'll be able to actually see this market continuing its upward trend. And it might even be here too, to where we got a lot of people out here that's really coordinating and creating business transactions between the buys and the sells in Zilliqa. So we're going to expect that to happen into the market in Zilliqa. And as that continues to transact, as we see this market in Zilliqa give us this type of price action, we'll get more information to see if the movement higher will continue throughout September of 2021. But as of right now, yeah, let's play a little small weakness, downside movement in the value of Zilliqa here, and then after that we'll come back in and do another video. All right, so that's it. You're part of our community. Let's talk. Send me a comment in this video and tell me, where do you all think the market price in Zilliqa is going to be in the next 3 weeks? All right, what will price be? We're pretty much expecting this downward trend to break, this ascending line, consolidate, trade sideways for a little bit, then out of that we should be able to see the market resume to higher prices, right? But until that time, we will have to play the weakness as we see it. So now let me know, what do you see? Give me your price prediction into the market in Zilliqa and let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.